So friends, we'll see one more problem here. That is problem number 7 in our book, and it is given in our board's unsolved problem number 7, page number 118. We solve this problem here. So they are given to us the problem of from the following transactions of receipts and payment account. They are given to you. Following is the transaction of receipts and payment account of Pawan Putra Hanuman, Bayam Shah Parabani has given to us. They are given to us receipts payment account, and the adjustment is given to you. They are given to adjustment 7 adjustment. So this is the problem which is given to us. We'll see this problem. So in that first will be there are 500 members paying an annual subscription of 50 each. Subscription is given. So there is a tick mark on the subscription, and you can take the subscription for 2018-19. So tick mark on that 2018-19, 18,000 there. After that, they are given to us outstanding salary tick mark on salaries also there. Tick mark on salaries, you make the salaries tick mark there. And after that, they are given the assets will be building and furniture, provide depreciation on building and furniture at the rate of 5%. So they are given to us the asset will be, so they are not purchased any asset on the payment side there. Therefore, just we have to provide depreciation 50,000 and 15,000. So depreciation 5-10%. Entrance fees, tick mark on the entrance fees. 50% entrance fees are capitalized, and interest on investment we have to take into consideration 5% per annum as incurred for 6 months. So there they are given to you tick mark on interest 400 which is given to us, and 5% interest on investment you have to calculate it. So if you calculate 5% interest on investment is given to us 15,000. Investment given to us 15,000, and outstanding interest on investment. If you calculate 15%, that is interest 5% on 15,000. So if you calculate, cancel 10, you will get there 1,500 will be complete 10% there, then 750's half will be 375. So depreciation, that is interest on investment coming for 6 months will be on 15,000. You will get their amount is 375. We'll take that, and capital fund given as well here. This is a problem simple here. Only they ask us the income expenditure and the balance sheet. They are given receipts payment account and the additional informations adjustment. With the help of that we can solve the problem. So as usual, they are given to us salary, and salary being the first item, and there will not be any adjustment on salary. We'll see right salary there. Salaries. They are given to us salary is the first item there. 2 salaries. And on salaries, they are given to us adjustment. Amount of salary is given to us 6,000 in inner column, and outstanding salary. Okay, there outstanding salaries, which is given in adjustment number 2, 1,200. So I'll add here 1,200 from 6,000. Amount goes to the outer 7,200. Then I'll write here capital fund, which is given to us capital fund. Opening balance given to you. Opening balance of capital fund is given to you 70,000. That is 7th adjustment. Last 70. And after leaving some space, you take there. Here, leave some space here for this. Take this outstanding salary. Outstanding salary will be added to the concern item shown on the left side. Outstanding salary there. We show that outstanding 1,200 directly outer column there. So like this, first you know. Entertainment expense 2,400, no adjustment. I'll take this full to entertainment expense. Entertainment expense, no adjustment. That amount given to us is 2,480. 2,480. After entertainment, sundry expenses is there, 1,300, no adjustment. To sundry expense, 1,380, no adjustment, directly outer column. After that, electricity charges 1,200, no adjustment, being expense. Electricity charges. So these are all expenses, therefore showing on the expenditure side. Electricity charges, no adjustment, 1,200. I'll take this 1,200. Electricity charges 1,200. After that, rent is given to you 700. The next item which is given, rent 700. Regarding rent also not adjustment, directly going out to column 700 there. After rent, investment is there. I'll take the investment 15,000 there, and I'll make the adjustment here. I'll take investment. Amount of investment given 15,000. I'll take your investment because I'll write first fixed asset. Amount is 15,000. Take this inner column. Then add outstanding interest on investment for 6 months. How to calculate 6 months just here? Just you cancel 1,500, half will be 750. 1,500 will be, that is 10%, half will be 750, and 6 months will be 375. I'll take this 375. Amount 15,375. How this is? If you want to see this, you can do like this. 15,000 multiplied by 5 upon 100 multiplied by 6 by 12. 20 get cancelling this 206 is, that is 2, and you will get here 75. 75 into 5 is equal to 5 5 25, 5 35, and 2 375. So this 375 I will show you. So here we'll take here, there is an interest by interest you can show on the income side, which is given here, because we can do this adjustment. Interest given to you. Interest is given to us 400, and outstanding interest. Outstanding interest for 6 months, which is taken into consideration that 375. Total will be 775. 400 plus 375, interest will be 775 is coming there. That is 400 plus outstanding interest on investment for 6 months, 775 will take their total like this. Otherwise, it's show separately by interest 400, outstanding interest 375, that is also granted there. Because they are only received interest 400 and 375 for 6 months added there and shown on the outer column there. After that, printing and stationery 800. Regarding this also no adjustment to printing and stationery. Printing and stationery, no adjustment on that ground. Printing and stationery given to us is 800. No adjustment, therefore directly outer column 800. Postage there 3,200. Regarding postage also no adjustment to postage. Amount is given of the postage is 3,200. I will take this 3,200 here. 3,200 postage. Then after postage, fixed deposit is there. It is an asset. Fixed deposit, asset it is. It is go on the asset side, fixed deposit. The amount of fixed deposit is given to 3,900. 3,900. I will take this 3,900 outer column. After that, we'll see here that is balance carried down, cash in hand and cash at bank. Cash in hand. We'll take that cash in hand. Amount of cash in hand goes to us. that is 830. Show inner column or directly outer column. Cash at bank. Cash in hand as well as cash at bank on 6,000. Otherwise, cash in hand 830 inner column, addition of 6,000 bank, 6,830 is also granted. If you take inner column and addition made outer column directly, that is also granted. That's the finishing of the payment side. Now, here subscription will take care for the current year. I'll take subscription. 2018-19 I taken because it is 31st May 2019. You are preparing this balance sheet of as well as the income and expenditure of Vyayamshala's 31/3/2019. So here 18-19 subscription given to us is just say 18,000 given to you. 18,000 subscription. I take this in our column. Regarding the subscription, they are given the members. Number 1. There are 500 members paying annual subscription 50 each. So 500 members. 500 members into annual subscription, it is given to us 50. So 5 of 5, 25. It comes to 25,000. So you got the subscription, you must receive the subscription 25,000, but you have received only 18,000. So therefore there is a still outstanding subscription for 7,000. Add outstanding subscription. Add outstanding subscription. Add outstanding subscription for current year. Subscription for current year is 7,000. Amount goes to the outer column. So I'll show how that 25,000 coming 7,000. I'll show here. There are 500 members into 50, it comes to 25,000. And less received will be 18,000. 7,000 will be outstanding. Like that you can do. Outstanding 7,000. This is outstanding. I showed it like this. Outstanding 7,000. Then I will show you outstanding subscription for current year. Outstanding subscription for current year. Outstanding subscription for current year. Outstanding subscription for the current year is 7,000. 7,000 outer column. So just see how I explaining this once again. So 18,000 subscription received during the year, but they want to receive subscription 25,000 because there are 500 members. I shown there are 500 members into 50 will be 25,000. I mean they must receive subscription during the year is 25,000, but actually they received 18,000. Therefore, outstanding still there is outstanding subscription for 7,000. So here I show here 50 500 into 50 25 less received 18,000 outstanding will be 7,000. And add here outstanding subscription for the current year. And show the liability side of the balance sheet. Outstanding subscription. So members into annual subscription, I'll make multiplied and take into account there. So that's regarding the payment and the here subscription. And they are given subscription for 1920 410. So this subscription received in advance for the next year. Therefore, right here subscription received in advance. Liability side. Subscription received in advance. In advance for the next year, they are given to you advanced. That is 2019-20. That amount is given to us is 410. It is a subscription received in this year for the next year. Therefore, subscription received 410. I show here directly on the right side of the balance sheet. Only current year taken and outstanding subscription received in advance for the next year I shown liability side. Then donation 6,000. Regarding donations, just see what they are given to your donation. They are not given anything donations. Therefore, you consider donation. They are not given adjustment. Whether it is special donation or it will be capitalized, not given. We consider and presume this donation being revenue in nature. That is, By donation, I'll take their revenue. It is revenue in nature. I'll take their revenue as general donations. Because they are not mentioned anything regarding this special donation or what. They are not mentioned. Therefore, I'll take the donations, outer column 6,000. Amount being 6,000, directly I'll take this outer column. Donations. After donation, interest already shown there. Then you can take receipts from entertainment, 5,400 by receipts from entertainment. Or from entertainment. Entertainment receipts. Receipts from entertainment. So that amount is 5,400. 5,400. And income shown, that interest we already shown there, and entrance fees 6,200, and there is adjustment 50% of entrance fees are capitalized. Therefore, I take here by entrance fees. By entrance fees, amount is 6,200 less 50%. 50% entrance fees capitalized. Capitalized. 50% means 3,100. Then 3,100 coming out of capitalized means we have to add it to the capital fund. So right here, add 50% entrance fees. Entrance fees capitalized. Capitalize 50%, 3,100, and you take their total fund after addition of this thing. They given to us this 70,000 plus this 3,100, 73,100. So friends, posting of the payment as well as receipt is over. We'll check once again whether any adjustment remains there. First is subscription is all, outstanding salary also on there. We have to add it there and show on the left side. It is shown liability side. Then assets, now you see building. Now we have to take the asset in here 50,000 and there is adjustment on asset. I will take building. On building, they are given depreciation on building 5% and furniture 10%. I will take that less depreciation 5%. At the rate 5%. Building is depreciated by 5% because first number is building and 5% is the first number, and furniture the 10% with the second number, respectively they give. So therefore, for building depreciation is 5%. How to calculate 5% on 50,000? Very simple. Just cancel 1 zero and get the 5,000. It's 10%. Make it half. Comes to 2,500. So it comes to outer column 47,500 after deductions. Then I'll take this depreciation here on the expenditure side to depreciation on. To depreciation on. It is given on 2. First will be building. Amount of building depreciation is getting 2,500. And furniture also given. I write that furniture here also. Furniture. Then I'll take furniture here because they are given to us the asset. Furniture, asset given, no more additions on the payment side. They are not purchased anything. So furniture is given to us is 15,000. 15,000 furniture. Less depreciation. At the rate of 10%. So just cancelling 1 zero will get there. Amount goes to the outer, 13,500. Just cancel 1 zero, you get 1,500 being 10%, and furniture is here 1,500. Now the total depreciation on building 2,500 and furniture 4,000 as 1,500. The amount goes outer is 4,000 there. So 4,000 depreciation. So that third is adjustment or provide depreciation is all 50%, that is all. And interest on investment 5%, 6 months we have to calculate it and add it there, capital fund shown. So friends, everything is over. Now we have to ascertain whether we have got surplus or deficit in this problem. Once again we see. If you see the, once again credit is heavier, therefore we can take the total on the credit, you will get their surplus, therefore write here to surplus, which is excess of income over expenditure. Income or expenditure we can show here, that being surplus. So take the total. First will be 5, second 7, third 1, 5, 7, 12, 12 there carries 1, 4, and this 5, 9, 4 and 5, 9 and 15, and here 5, 20, carries will be 2 means here 2 and 2, 4, 40,275 the total. Put the same here, 40,275. So friend, first you confirm whether this total is correct or not. If you take the incorrect total, you get the incorrect surplus there. Therefore, once again confirm. First is 0, second here is 5 there, 1 and 4, 5 and 7, 12 carries 1, 4 plus 5, 9 and 5 is 15 and 5, 20. Carries will be 2 there, 2 and this 2, 4, 40,275, and ascertaining the balance. How to ascertain this surplus? Big balancing figure. How to calculate coming from the right to the left? Here is 0, 0, 0, you want 5, therefore additions of 5. You want 5, put 5. Second, 8, 8, 16, 16, 16, but you want there 16 means 17, 1. You want 17 there, therefore, sorry, I made mistake. First 0 you want 5, you want 5 there. The next is 8, 8, 16. 16 and you will get there, just see here. I made mistake, I'll just see here. 40,000, I'll take here once again here. First you want 5, you write there 5. The 40,275 the total. Then here 7,200, 2,480, 1,000 sundry expenses is there. I made mistake to writing the sundry expenses. It is 1,300, not 80. It is 1,300. That's why it is not correct for me. Sundry expense I written there wrongly 1,380, but it is 1,300 actually. Sundry expenses which is given 1,300. Now it comes correctly now. So first you want 5 with 5.